What's up YouTube, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the Tik Tok hairstyle that a lot of these guys have. Let's get into it. So I would suggest getting any sort of clip, a tail comb like this way you can actually section through the hair pretty easily, and then obviously you're going to need some sort of smoothing iron or straightening iron, or a lot of times people like to say flat iron, okay? So take your first section right here, and you're just going to clip that hair out of the way. So a lot of times, you'll see guys with these haircuts that are, their hair comes down to their eyebrow a little bit longer, but then they have these hairstyles where it's kind of like down but up. And you're like, how the heck do these guys even do that, right? So what it is, it's actually taking the smoothing iron, coming on top of the section and flipping it up like this. So it's down and up like so. You're gonna go through the hair, you're gonna flip it up, and then you're gonna turn the iron upwards like this. And you're simply just creating these like little waves in the hair. You're getting the hair to flip going upwards. We're going to continue and follow the same pattern throughout the entire thing. So with the comb, what it does is it allows you to smooth the hair to get the knots out, and then you can go underneath like this and start to flip the hair as quickly as soon as you want. The closer you flip it, the more it's going to flip up. The closer to the ends of the hair, then it's going to flip up just on the ends. So as you can see, let's turn it right away here, and you can see what happens. You can actually redirect how you want it as well. And then if you extend it to the ends, it's really just going to turn up on the ends like that.